Everything is a beautiful day, peaceful and quiet. And today is the Day of Dead, like Dia de los Muertos. But anyhow, I just miss being having fun with my other friends and old friends this year because of the coronavirus problems. Well, at least we have each other and my friends and my new friends as well. Well, at least I could celebrate Dia de los Muertos here inside my house from now on. So, so I must get away from the people who has the coronavirus, or else I'm gonna end up get sick, or I'll die. But I have to be careful, Woody Woodpecker. Look, you're just a woodpecker, right? Right. So, just stay here, and everything will be fine. And do the same actions like you did from the last decade since you began in 1940. Since knock knock, okay? Okay. Just don't peck up your own roof. Only different house roofs, okay? Okay. And do it the trees too. Got it? Got it. Okay. Now's the time to celebrate the Day of Dead here at my home. Okay, gotta go.